Hello, you guys! Today we're gonna prepare the best condensed milk-free pudding in the world. In a pan on medium heat, add 1½ cups of sugar and stir to melt the sugar. When it's melted, add ½ cup of water and stir for 2 minutes to form the caramel. Pour the caramel in a bundt cake pan and spread it with a spatula. Then put the cake pan aside. Now add in a big bowl 8 eggs and whisk. Take a moment to let me know where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now add to the eggs 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir. Add now 1½ cups of sugar and stir to dissolve. This pudding is so soft, good, and delicious. And to prepare it, you just need to mix these 3 ingredients in a super simple way. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now add 1 liter of milk. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love pudding. Pour the egg mix in the cake pan with the caramel. Then put the bundt cake pan into a bigger baking pan. Fill with water halfway through it. Put it in the oven, only turn the bottom grill on, heat at 390 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook until the top part of the pudding turns golden. Poke it with a fork. If the fork comes out clean, it's ready. Then put it in the fridge for 3 hours to thicken. And our recipe is done, ready to be sliced and enjoyed. I really hope you liked this recipe. I'm gonna thank you all now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.